Hello and welcome to my channel, Zippo Lion's Den. I have to show you this one that I just picked up locally off of Facebook Marketplace. 95 years of great motorcycles, 1903 to 1998, 95th anniversary, Harley Davidson, number HD 288, HD gift set number 288. The tin isn't in the greatest shape, but on the inside the lighter is nice. Comes with a little keychain, lighter. Show you the keychain first. Nothing fancy. Just has a Harley Davidson 95th anniversary design on it, 1998. But the lighter is in really good shape. Comes with the original paperwork. Your new Zippo lighter has a unique finish to give it that used, nostalgic, and broken-in antique look, because it is an antique silver. "95 years of great motorcycles. Motor Harley Davidson Cycles, 1903, 1998, 95th anniversary." Still has the sticker on the back. Has the old style guarantee from back then. And let's see what the insert looks like, because I never leave my stickers on. Ooh, that thing's been on there a while. Definitely has been on there a while. I'll have to clean that off. Yep, definitely will have to clean that off. Nice, sturdy, well, a little bit of a wobble, not much. We have an A XIV, which is for 1998, and it has the matching A XIV 1998 insert. Still has a flint. We'll have to take care of that as well, besides getting the sticker off the back. But I got it for a really good price, and it's another addition to both my Harley Davidson collection and my Wisconsin collection. It was a very good deal. I couldn't pass it up. And it's a very nice looking lighter. Nice little set. And again, like always, if you like what you see, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share my videos anywhere you can, because anything you do will help my channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you, and have a good one.